Let's learn how to draw a cute broccoli. Let's start by drawing the stem of the broccoli. Draw a cloud-like shape for the broccoli florets. Draw the big, fluffy top of the broccoli. Add eyes and mouth. Draw the arms. Add smaller wavy lines to show the texture of the broccoli florets. Add small curved lines. Draw the outline. Now let's color. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Want to see more videos like this? Make sure to subscribe and stay updated with all the latest content. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a big like. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Kids Learning Adventures for more learning videos.